In this video, I'll guide you through connecting your Etsy shop to your eRank account, explain what it means, and show you how this helps optimize your shop for success. Let's dive in. When you link your Etsy shop to eRank, you gain a couple benefits. eRank can analyze your listings, tags, and sales stats, providing tailored insights to improve your shop's visibility. Your data remains private and secure with read-only access, ensuring no changes are made to your shop. You stay in full control using eRank's recommendations to optimize titles, tags, and descriptions for maximum visibility. Begin by logging into your eRank account or creating a new account. Once you're on your eRank dashboard, click Connect Shop. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your Etsy account and authorize access to eRank. That's it. You're ready to explore data-driven insights and actionable improvements. Subscribers on paid plans can connect multiple shops for even more insights. Check our plans and pricing page for details. If you have questions, visit our help center or contact our support team. Thanks for watching and happy selling.